everyone, today we are going to make a delicious vegan honey chicken recipe using vegan Dukan's vegan honey and Vizle Soya Indi Chop. So let's start. We are going to let the Soya Indi Chop sit in hot water for 10 minutes. Then marinate the Soya Indi Chop with salt, ginger paste, soy sauce and cornstarch. Mix it well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. We are going to dip the Soya Indi Chop in dry cornstarch and coat it well. Fry them in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. In a saucepan, we are going to add oil and chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute. Now we are going to add tomato ketchup, chili sauce, soy sauce, white pepper, Szechuan powder, salt and vegan Dukan's vegan honey. Mix it well and cook for a minute. Once the sauce is ready, we are going to add the crispy fried Soya Indi Chop to the pan and toss it well to coat with the sauce. Finally, garnish it with chopped spring onion and sesame seeds, and a delicious vegan honey chicken is ready to be served. You can enjoy this delicious vegan honey chicken with steamed rice or noodles. Thank you for watching.